Winter's embrace had promised us a whispering tranquility, a fellowship with the frost and pines. But as the moon carved its path through the ink-black sky, a skittering scourge poured in, turning our promised peace into a war of whiskers and wits. Bare-knuckled and braced, I became the unyielding bulwark against the tide. Rocky, with his canine fury and fangs bared, danced a deadly ballet with the invading horde. Together, we clashed in the gloom. My sledgehammer swung in arcs of desperation, splintering wood and stone alike as Rocky's growls echoed like thunder through the timberland. In the fray, our cabin became a crucible, each strike a forging of legend. As dawn crept over the horizon, the field lay still save for the two of us standing tall amidst the ruin. We were the storm that cleansed our home, the howling wind that banished the night's shadow. Our tale was etched not with ink, but with grit and resolve, a saga to be told by the ember's glow for generations. In the end, we were not just survivors. We were the Stormbreakers, the silent guardians whose roar would forever echo through the heart of the wilderness.